What's up, guys? And I am reacting to. I lost my 10-year-old son to Fortnite.
Others have PlayStations, so I suppose I'll say Xbox.
Yeah.
He's always had an Xbox for 4 years, 5 years. He's had FIFA, wrestling. It's always been, you know, he'd go up maybe for an hour and play it, and then he'd come down and join in the family and sports.
Like on me, actually for like 10 hours.
But then Fortnite came along. It is 12s, and Leo's nearly 11. I'm not super strict. There's a bit of give and take. I let him play it. All the other mums were letting him play it. All the guys in school, so we let him play it.
So it was the mood change. This is what you need. Yeah. Because at Christmas you play a little bit of Xbox, and you, like I said, you integrate the family. Yeah. Perfectly normal. As of Christmas,
wait, does he need Dr. Phil?
Just after Christmas, so it's only 8 weeks.
Yeah.
And
say this kid needs Dr. Phil.
It took a couple of weeks. I am strict with him. I've always had 2 hours Friday, 2 hours
Yep, guys. This kid needs Dr. Phil. This kid right here, this 10-year-old, 11-year-old, I don't know here. Yes, 10-year-old anyways. Needs Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil. Or Dr. Seuss. For that. He needs an agent. This is why Fortnite's taking for the world.
Yeah, but I never even had to enforce that with FIFA or with any of the games. But with this,
what the heck is FIFA?
So
that game. I'm stupid.
I go up at 8. I go up at 7:45, and I say, okay, time is up. 15 minutes left. Okay, Mum. Okay. I go up at 8. Then no, you said 9:30. No, I'm in the top 5. It's just,
why do you think, Leah, why do you think that happened? Why do you think it's...
Then he's in the top 2. Oh my god. I'm winning. If I just kill this one person, I'm going the whole side, I think. I'm going to be the best on Fortnite. I'm going to be better than Ninja. Ali, everybody in the world. Flip! I died from a trap! Oh god.
I don't know really. It's just like this game that kind of sucks you in, and when you don't want to die, and like other FIFA games and stuff, you're just like, fine, it's not very exciting. That game's just so exciting and everything.
It's kind of a great effort.
Wait, is this outside? Wait.
I have to give you a warning.
Is this a wallpaper or actually real life? That's my question. Because I think it's actually real, but it kind of looks fake. Yeah, no, but the things are moving. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, that was just my question.
About 20 minutes before the world shrinks completely, and so you can get in an hour. You can get three games, can't you?
Yeah.
Not enough. And is it all about being at the top of the scoreboard?
Well, there's different levels and new skins you can get and stuff, so everyone goes like, I'm on level 56 and everything.
Skins! Okay, I know Fortnite is one of the best games ever, but it doesn't really matter about the skins. Let's say, I just want one cool skin. That's all I really want. It's not like you need a million skins. Like, I will get like I want to care about my skin. I just care about my skills because I suck in every game.
Yeah.
So when you realise, I think you did realise, hang on a second, this is actually changing me. I'm becoming someone different. What did you decide to do? Right, that's it. Limit how many times I'm just going to play, or I'm going to stop.
So this kid will keep on playing.
But Leo didn't really realise.
Or stop playing and play for 1 hour, then just get away from the whole time. Let's see.
I had to tell him, you're not acting.
Okay, the mom's a good mom, but you should just destroy his PS4. Like I did. Like create a joke people do.
I would then pull him off at 8 o'clock.
I have problems. I need Dr. Phil. I thought this kid needs Dr. Phil, but I think I need Dr. Phil.
That when you pull them off, but this is different. They are screaming at the television. They are hiding. They're calling each other's names. They're hiding in faces. They're living in it. All their friends are in it. It's just different. I have no problem with 16-year-olds or adults. No,
You don't understand, woman.
they don't seem
Fortnite's a dead thing.
with their friends.
I thought when
Then when they
I
go
saw this video,
downstairs,
I thought I lost my 10-year-old son to Fortnite. I thought like the mom played it and she lost to her son.
everything's
Right there. I thought it was about that, but it's different. Look at this. Look at this one. It's like we have to make some change. I mean, like, this is an interesting story. This guy's like that. So I subscribe because I'm using it off of them. Let's first subscribe. Let's this morning. Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody here. Drama out their lives, and we'll subscribe. You're welcome.
Can't compete now that I'm adult.
So what do you want now then? How much time are you allowed now?
Well, I got it taken off me, and I feel like she's deleting it, but I'm
How do you feel?
I'm fine. Well,
Just over there in the corner of our studio.
well, I didn't really like it at first.
Is he from England?
I was like, oh,
That's my question now. Is he from England? And is SpongeBob in there? SpongeBob. Yeah. Why Starbucks even though this is a studio? This is literally a studio just for talking to you. There's a kitchen.
Touch with some of your comments from you.
Yes, and I made it for my son to do tasks before and after school.
Okay, I'm done with this video. This is literally like a house. Like, so they live, like, these two live in a mansion. They make random strangers go in their house, and they have camera crew that they should not trust, and they somehow get money. That's just messed up. Okay, I don't care. Anyways, if you like that video, subscribe, and if you like the video, like this video, like I did, look. Or if you don't like it, dislike it, it's not hard feelings. And if you subscribe, click the little bell here, and I will see you later. Bye. I actually don't like this channel, but I'm still going to subscribe. Just bye, guys. Yeah, shut up! Guys, I know what she means. This woman here. My sister's playing Fortnite right now, and my brother. It's taking over the world. It's taking over the world.